up, guys? It's Cody B Pyrotechnics, and my friend Garrison and I just dropped like $7,000 on fireworks, but we took advantage of their Black Friday deal. So shipping and product discounts were super cheap. It was just incredible. The $7,000 we just spent on fireworks actually would have came out to be more like $15,000 during season. That is why I highly recommend taking advantage of these Black Friday deals, whatever your local fireworks store may have to offer. So we basically got 3 or 4 pallets full of fireworks. We're gonna go pick them up tomorrow morning. I'm probably not gonna film the drive there and picking them up at the port because we shipped them to a port. So we kind of found this little loophole with the ordering system on Black Friday, where if you submit multiple orders, which we submitted 3 in total, we got 2 from Pahrump and 1 from Michigan. If you guys take note of this video and do exactly what we did, and by submitting like multiple different orders on Black Friday, you can actually save a couple extra $100 on shipping costs. Because I think each order we submitted was over $2,000, and if you go over that threshold, then they charge you commercial freight. So to avoid all those extra costs, we actually ended up shipping all 3 orders to a port in Bismarck, North Dakota, where we were going to go pick these up. And like I said before, 1 comes from Michigan and the other 2 are coming from Pahrump. But in total, it's about $7,000 in fireworks and 3 or 4 different pallets. In this video, we are going to be unboxing all of it and taking it all down from the pallet, setting it up so you guys can get a nice wide angle view of all the products that we ordered. We're gonna be talking about each and every one of them. And then towards the end of the video, we are going to light some of it off, so stay tuned. This was the Black Friday order.
Yes.
And we found a little bit of a loophole where if you order like 3 separate orders, you get cheaper shipping.
Yes.
So that's what we did here. Just kind of showing you some of the stuff we ordered. We got shells, we got canister shells. Did you get any ball shells?
Nope, no ball shells.
Just 500-gram cake, 200-gram,
yep,
and canister shells.
Final sets and then canisters.
Yep.
Kind of all out on the canister shells.
And a really good chunk of this order is for New Year's show.
Yes.
So, and we'll probably be using a majority of cakes for that. So I guess we should probably tell them what we're pulling off.
Yeah.
Electric 64 shot.
There will be most of this will be doubled up though. So there is actually 2 cases of that.
Okay, so that's the one. And we've got Rolled Gold by Brothers, 4-1.
Yep. Old Ironside.
Neon Blast, Old Ironside. That's a really good one.
Sin
I like
City.
shooting that one over water.
Oh, really?
That? It's beautiful. 102 shot XL. Oh, we shot some of these before.
Yep.
Yeah, we've done a lot of this stuff.
Sin City, those are really good actually for what they, for the size of it. I was impressed.
What's that?
Same as.
Same now.
Yep.
Okay, and that is Sugar Skull.
Well,
cool neon packaging.
For the price of them, you couldn't resist. I mean,
oh no, not at all.
Galactic Jack again. Got to get that one.
Yeah. Night Blossom, double case of that.
2 of them.
And the Black Friday sales are not just retail, it's everything wholesale too. So that's why we order. Flowers. This is a heavy case.
They are heavy.
We're just having 4 of those little guys in there.
They're really similar. Remember for that Montana show we shot these galaxies?
Okay.
These flowers are kind of similar.
Oh, I got you.
They're just as good.
And these are the fans. The fancy fans, I like to call them. Look at the size of that case. You weren't kidding about the duplicates, huh?
I was not, no.
So how much did we spend in total?
Like 3, 6, 7, almost 7,000.
Yeah, and this whole trailer is full, so this is the time of year to buy it.
But it would have been probably more like 10 to 15,000.
Yeah.
Even if it just wasn't Black Friday, not even wholesale.
Yeah. Floodlights, 40 shots.
1 of 7 cases it should be of Triumph shells.
Nice. 7 cases of 1 shell. They've got
Sky Falls.
all sorts of effects. Spartan Stream.
That is.
I imagine this has some whistles.
Yes.
Oh, is this that one you told me about?
Yes, I got a whole case of them.
Okay. And And I got some daytime stuff here too.
Oh, okay. Yes, you do.
Some of that
Those are
daytime
towards the front.
celebration. Here, I can crawl back there.
These are the neon blue out of their neon fusion line.
And these are those shells.
Yes.
So these are all blue?
All blue.
Very nice. Oh, here's some raw shells.
I didn't get too many of these, the red and blue beanies,
Yeah.
just because there's so many in the red, white, and blue set anyway.
Well, I really wish we could have got the willows.
Oh, you and I both. The fact that they were sold out made me want.
Yeah, if you guys don't know what we're talking about, they sold out in like the first 5 minutes. We were on that thing like a hawk, and they were sold out.
Yeah, including the cakes. Even.
Anything with willows,
Dude,
like
fine.
anything with willows was already gone.
Yep.
We've got One Nation, 63 shot. It looks like there might be 2 in here.
4-1.
4-1.
4-1.
Hologram, one of my favorites.
Oh,
This is that one we shot with those brocade shells.
Yes.
Beautiful cake.
And then this Tropics is the one that on that fireworks show on the street
Yeah.
that we did with for 30,000. It's a little, I think there's like 200 shots in there. It's just a little tiny.
This is all one. This is one cake.
No, there's like
Oh, there's 8 of them.
8 of them in there.
There's 8
2
in
sets
there.
of 8.
Oh, that makes sense. This thing is
Yeah.
super heavy.
And then let's hope these Nexus are the right ones.
Oh, I remember the
I
ones
tried them again.
where they were
Dreamwave.
mismatched. Yeah.
Yep. So I'm hoping they do because they got
It's
great
funny
color.
because we shot that, but on the channel I did the demo name and the little picture in the bottom of the correct cake. But we actually shot that one.
Yes.
That was funny.
Let's hope this one does right. This one I've been wanting to see for years. I've never been able to get it. It's the Thunderbird flyby with the horsetails,
Okay.
and it's gorgeous.
Horsetails, those things that
They
it's
just
almost like a
pop.
little willow that pops out of the side.
Yep,
right?
but it's got red lace with it.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
Towards the end of it or what?
No, it like breaks with the red lace, and then the willow hangs through the red lace. That's when I was really
With the Road Jack, this is a fan favorite, it seems.
favorite, but it's different because they teamed with Red Apple. They changed it a little bit,
Oh, they did.
tiny bit.
They
Yep,
changed
not
the
much.
finale or what?
No, it's got a little more color in it. I think basically
Nice.
what it is.
Ooh, this one's heavy. This is another Triumph.
Yeah.
There you go.
It is amazing the weight on like these Triumphs and the ganja shells versus some other cases.
Shrooms.
Yes.
Some of my favorites.
You remember shooting the virus in Montana?
Ah, the virus.
We doubled them up.
Okay.
It was all those that we did. If you watch the video where everybody was screaming the loudest, it was
Yeah.
when we doubled these up and I got 2 cases of them.
Really? Do they have an
Everybody
angle
loved
on them or what?
One does, the other one doesn't. 'Cause it's the
Okay.
final set.
Cool.
And I think out of all these here that you have not seen, I don't think you've seen it, I think this is the one I'm most excited for you to see. This Cali Kush.
Nice.
Probably one of the best.
And that one
fan
wasn't
cakes.
that heavy though, was it? I picked it
No.
up and it seemed kind of light.
But it's every bit as good as
yeah.
Jamrock.
Oh yeah, that
Literally.
30 shot.
Yes.
I opened my show in the Black Hills with that one.
Oh, that's
That
right.
Jamrock. Yeah.
Yes.
You guys want to open a show with a bang, definitely Jamrock by Red Apple. Holy cow, look at all these Triumph shells.
Should we put these somewhere else? Maybe?
You know, now that I think about it, people keep freaking out in my comment section about these. They keep wanting me to shoot them.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, well, again, no.
Well, because these are new, aren't they? Kind of.
Yeah, they had them. Yeah, they
Yeah.
were new for this last summer.
Yeah, everybody's been telling me about these things.
Yeah, 'cause the first year I didn't like the Triumph shell.
Oh my god. This whole pallet is shells.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna grab that camera and bring it up here. Oh, that looks like a mega case.
Okay, so everything that came out of the Michigan warehouse was
Mm-hmm.
all cans, the whole pallet except for 2 Solarises.
Okay.
Yep.
See, this is insane. They're going 4 wide, and then 4 more of the Calavera Bombas. So we got Triumph on this side, and Calavera down there. And just look at that.
Fall off. I actually had to take a whole layer off, so there was 8 of each.
Oh, I can imagine. Yeah. So that thing was a pretty tall stack pallet.
Yeah.
That's just incredible. Do you know how many shells this has to be?
I
Over
haven't done the
300.
math yet.
Over 300.
Yes.
Well over 300 on each side.
Yes.
So there's probably 600 shells here or more.
Yeah, I think when I was placing the order, I think I ordered like something like over like 2,100 shells total,
Oh my god. That's gonna be epic.
which is enough to fill up all our racks.
Yeah, for sure. Well, I don't think you got enough, man. I think
I
we're
don't know
gonna
if
need
we-
more.
If we add all the tubes together that we have,
Yeah.
might.
No, I'm saying shells. I don't think you got enough shells.
Oh, enough shells, yeah.
Yeah.
That's actually probably true.
Oh boy. All right, I'll put you guys back on the tripod. We're already at 7.
So that's pallet 1.
Yep. Okay, we got some loose stuff. This is the stuff you probably took off the top.
Yes.
Vivid white strobe, some of my favorites. Hang on, let me make sure I pressed record. Sometimes I do this. Okay, there we go.
I think those actually have to be probably almost my favorite canister shells, aside from the willows.
Oh yeah, Vivids.
I mean, when you ran that in that one thing, you like finale itself.
Yeah. Well, even just that day when we were shooting like multiples of 3 at a time.
Yeah.
They were pretty impressive.
Two of the best, literally, shells you can buy.
Oh yeah.
From the Ganges.
Maybe this will be the thumbnail shot right here. Hang on. I don't know if it'll show from there. Oh shit, I just dropped it.
You did?
Yeah, a little bit. There's shells, they'll be fine. I'm gonna move this camera closer though. So you guys got way more snow than we did.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when I was driving past Richardson on the interstate,
Yeah.
I was like, holy cow, this is white. Back home, and it's only like a 30-mile difference really, but if you think about it, we really don't get as much snow. We're down in the Badlands.
Which is crazy though that, you know, we're only what, not even 100 miles from each other?
Oh, I know, but it can be totally different.
It
Like
is.
sometimes I'll go to Bismarck, we'll have nothing here. Tons of snow in Bismarck. It's crazy.
Well, it's amazing how much drier you guys even are than us.
Yeah, even in the summer,
Yeah.
it's a constant drought. More vivid white strobe.
Yes, I think I got
Love these
6,
things.
7 cases of those.
Another case of Triumph. Jesus, man. What were you thinking?
Wow.
I know you can't go wrong though.
That's just
It's really hard to pass up on this pricing. I mean, we were talking the other day, like there's all sorts of other crap we could be spending our money on, like
why
bad things, like bad
Right?
things, and we're just buying entertainment.
Entertainment with it.
Yeah.
So if this
And everybody gets to have fun on New Year's now.
oh yeah.
These are getting stacked pretty high. Huh? I want to show that pile before we're done.
That's a lot of up and down.
When they sent me my order last summer, this is exactly how they packed it, with this black sticky stuff.
And it's amazing how well that holds.
Yeah. It's like a Super Duty trash bag or something.
So from what I can tell, if you ever saw their G-Force line,
I don't think I have.
they were 2 years ago they had them. They changed the name. And I want to say, don't quote me on it, I'm not saying this is fact. I want to say G-Force became F-Zero. And these look just like what the
So
G-Force
the effects
was.
were the same.
Yes,
Maybe they
they're
just
super
wanted to
close.
like bump up the label a little bit,
Something, yeah.
make it more entertaining or something.
But it does, these hyperdrives look just like what the G-Force was.
These are my solo shots.
Yeah.
These are the ones I ordered. Whew. I freaking love these things. And they just switched up the effects on them. Because before they were the Wacky Tobacco and LOL.
Yes.
Now they're different. See
Yeah.
that?
Yep.
They're crazy. That spider shot.
Oh, that's
You're gonna love it.
cool.
Yep. This is remake. I shot some of these at the Speedway.
Lined up.
Just gonna move some of this stuff over here. Ultra. Oh my god.
Those
This
are
is
like
probably the
basically
biggest case you've
3-1-1s.
Yeah. I was gonna say. So are these zipper cakes or what are they?
Basically, yeah. So they're usually like $269,
Yep.
and I got
Like a
3-1-1.
piece though, at retail value, right?
Retail value.
Yeah. So
The case is $269, I think, and I got it for like $130.
nice.
Yeah, there's no way you're gonna buy 3 dips for 1 cake for $130.
Oh no. You do all your shopping this time of year and then you're set for the whole year.
Yeah.
So it looks like you got 2 of these hyperdrives then.
Yep.
I'm just gonna set stuff over here. Don't tell me there's more behind here. Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
Oh my god. I see another case of Triumph. Oh no, that's my daytime thing. The label looks the exact same. Yeah.
I think it's out of the Triumph line though.
You know we're gonna have to shoot that daytime one.
Oh yeah, I'm
today.
up for that.
You
Oh,
wanna
yeah.
do that? Okay.
Actually, I'm super excited just because I want to know how loud those really are.
Oh, in the video they slap.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move my camera just a tad. All right, so the Doom barrel bombs. Well, now that camera's probably gonna be rocking. Walking around, but
Well, these are the Mad Bomber. They kind of remind me of the Sin City.
oh, I thought you were talking about these. I was like,
No,
when did they change the name?
No, these right here.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, okay.
They're kind of like the Sin
They have the
City. I just think
graffiti
they're a
and
little
stuff
better.
on them. More vivid white strobe, because we don't have enough of these.
You can't have it.
You can't. You just can't. More canister shells. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases.
There was one
plus
over there.
the several over there of the barrel box. And these things were really cheap on Black Friday.
Yeah,
barrel
they were
bombs, right?
$78 for a case.
Yeah, that's insane.
Basically $1 a shell.
Yeah. Well, some people out west, like in California, they're paying for one little box in here, like the retail box with the 24 kit.
Yeah.
They're paying over $130.
What?
Yeah.
For 6?
No, for 24.
Oh, for 20.
Yeah, just for 24.
Oh,
So I feel bad for these guys, but
yeah, that's insane.
you gotta. I suppose they probably ship to California, but the liability is on you. Like once it leaves the store, it's not their problem.
Yeah. Yeah, that's insane.
Oh, I found another case of that thing you were trying to show me.
Mad
down there,
Bomber?
so,
Oh,
yeah.
good. Those is.
Neon blue, some more blue shells.
One of these times I want to do an effect like they did in their demo, where they just launched like tons of green and then tons of blue, pink, red.
Did a good mix of like colored peonies. Oh,
Yeah.
it's called what's it called? It's called something when they use a bunch of peonies. Is it just peony puke or what?
I think it's peony puke.
I think so.
It's super cool when they do that.
Oh, it's beautiful. Okay.
Especially considering how hard peonies break.
Yeah, if they're made right.
Yeah. Kind of like the kiss of death.
Yep. So this is that one he was trying to show me with the graffiti print on there. It looks pretty cool. Mad
It's
Bomber.
super fast paced. It just
144
basically doesn't end.
Oh, that's a big hugger.
I thought you put two of those together and you basically got one hell of a one.
I keep getting in your way.
At this point, we're just
I keep forgetting we're trying to funnel out because if you I've got to show them this what we're working with here. Okay, so we're bringing these out through this little gap here, and I keep putting my stuff there on the corner. She's got to work around it, but look at this pile. Are we going to be able to get off of the trailer? Who knows?
Maybe by the end we won't.
Yeah. All right, I'm still recording, so 3-layer.
These were what I could believe.
What were these on sale for?
Gosh, I want to say something like $100.
Oh, way cheaper than they usually go.
Yeah, they're usually $170 a case.
Yeah. I remember when we did the red apple comparison, we shot a bunch of these off. And I think these were one of my favorites.
Well, these are those comet shells.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you like, but some of them are actual shells, right? Or no?
No, that was the ganja.
Or was it flux?
Well, we shot these mixed with flux. So I did like the 5-shot racks.
Okay.
We sent up like 2 comets with the flux.
They've got so many damn shells.
They do. Ganja, I believe, is the one that comes with a few comet shells in every kit.
Yeah. Here, I'll just hand this one to you. And then I want to show them that case that fell out of the interstate. Because that'd be kind of cool just to show them like what happens if fireworks leave your vehicle at 90 miles an hour. Okay, what is this? Single color neon 5-inch. How come this one's a brown box?
That's the same.
Okay.
But you got 2 cases of those.
Oh, I thought it was like branded though. They just have it in a brown box.
Let me look over here.
Because I thought the other one had
No,
color
it's
on it.
brown box.
I'm losing my mind. And
It
these
was
are my.
the single shots that are branded.
Oh, okay. And then I've got my stuff that I ordered here. These are the Triumph Daytime Celebration. And let me tell you, we watched the video on this. Actually, you showed it to me at that restaurant down the road. And this thing is probably as close as you're gonna get to salute shells in a cake. Like, we're gonna light this off just to show you. All right, so that was the last of the trailer. You can see we had 3 full pallets in here. That's the massive stack that we're dealing with. And like he said, we paid, it's about $7,000 for it. So should be a really awesome New Year's display, huh?
Stuck together.
Yeah, so this here, he got a case of 250 by Winda. And this thing flew, because you could see the pallets were stacked like a little too high. So he was traveling on the interstate, and this thing actually popped out, landed on the road. And this is what it did to the cakes. So some of them are still intact, like you can see. So they look like this now, and basically I think he's just gonna try to make some fan slices with them now.
Yeah, Doug at Red Apple.
Yeah, so we were just talking about how like he puts the pictures on here and they're taken directly from his phone. And you guys ask what I film on. Well, I actually film on my iPhone, which is the same phone he uses to take these pictures. And
Hold these other ones.
yeah, if you come over here, like he's got pictures on a lot of these, which he takes directly on his phone. Like there's one. And that's the kind of quality you're getting. Like here's an example of the pictures he takes. He takes all these right on his iPhone at demos in China when they're doing this stuff, or at the demo in Brump. Pretty cool.
Leave them here.
All right, so just want to show you guys, these are all the shells. I know this is totally unnecessary, but if you're a pyro, then you know you have to set up your fireworks like this. So these are all the shells. I just want to show you for size reference. The pickup's over there, and here is all the cakes. So now we're gonna move all the cakes over here in front of this and get a super epic wide angle shot for you. Alright, so if you guys just saw in the time lapse, this is what we were setting up. Totally unnecessary, but every pyro must do this with their fireworks stash every year. Whether it's for the 4th of July or New Year's, this is what you gotta do. So we already covered all these products, but I'm just gonna kind of do a slow pan all the way down in case there was something you missed. You can see all the shells are in the back. There, we got a bunch of cakes. The 200 grammers, we just kind of took one out of the case and put it on top, just to add some depth to the stash, as if it wasn't big enough. And then over here, tons of 500 gram cakes. And here's my solo shots. Really love those things. Got a bunch up front. Okay, we're coming on down. Old iron sides. Look at how tall that is. That's up to my, pretty much up to my chest right here. Crazy. And this is all, we're gonna light all this off. We're not selling fireworks. We're literally gonna shoot all this stuff off. Those are my remixes I ordered. Brothers Pyrotechnics, beautiful lace on these guys. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Let's get a wide angle shot real quick. I'll stand way back. I can't even get it all the way in on frame. This is crazy. I gotta keep backing up. There we go, almost. Go this way. There we go. Look at that. We basically built a windbreak out of fireworks. And I'll just zoom in. God, that's insane. Just driving to McDonald's in the drive-thru here.
Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you?
I'll take 30 cases of shells. All right, here goes Daytime Celebration by Red Apple Fireworks. Almost as loud as a salute. The crackle towards the bottom was way louder. That was insane. All right, guys, 120 shots of daytime celebration. This is the little grand finale for this video, and I'm gonna go way back over there by those hay bales and film this for you from a wide angle. Okay, he's gonna attempt to hit all 3 of those at once. Damn! It's a little windy out here, so I'm sorry about that. Maybe we'll light a cake. Damn, that's loud. Holy cow. Yeah. That's kind of cool. I can't believe the scream on that thing.